President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning ahead of a major upcoming ruling from the United States Supreme Court, saying that if the court strikes down parts of his tariff policy, the US could be uncured, screwed, financially and politically. President Trump warned publicly that if the Supreme Court rules that his tariffs were imposed beyond presidential authority, the US government could be forced to repay massive sum of money. He called any such outcome a complete mess. The legal fight centers on whether Trump exceeded his power by imposing broad tariff under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act (EA), a law meant for emergency economic actions, not sweeping trade duties. During oral argument, Supreme Court justice expressed serious doubts about that legal base. Lower Supreme Court, including the U.S. Court of International Trade and the U.S. Courts Appeals, already ruled many of these tariffs are illegal, and that ruling did not take immediate effect, leaving tariff in place, while the government appealed. Now the Supreme Court is expected to issue a final ruling possibly tomorrow 10 a.m. The tariff in question are global in scale, reciprocal duties on nearly every US trading partner, and special levies on countries including China, Mexico, Canada, and others. Now, these are not the separate sector specific tariffs like steel or aluminium that fall under laws. If the Supreme Court overturns these tariffs, US importers may be entitled to refunds of hundreds of billions of dollars. Trump says soil investment effect could be in the trillions. Market and international trade flows could see significant. President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning ahead of a major upcoming ruling from the United States Supreme Court, saying that if the court strikes down parts of his tariff policy, the US could be uncured, screwed, financially and politically.